everybody, it's Duco15, and yes, I'm sorry I haven't made any videos in a while. I've been very busy with Webkinz Fun videos. So yeah, and I just wanted to tell you, my computers didn't actually have a virus, and it actually had I had installed like this free trial of AVG virus protection. And my computer, I guess, couldn't handle it, so it locked up my whole computer. So now that's out of the way, I can get back on my computer again. And what also means is and stuff. So I'm very busy with Webkinz Fun videos and maintaining some radio-controlled cars and keeping my K'NEX crane from breaking down. So it's most likely I won't make another video until end of 2 weeks from now or something, because I am very busy. So yes, sorry to keep you all waiting for videos, but that's just the way it goes. So yeah, and bye.